The first day of the school year is just around the corner. But for thousands of students in Houston, basic school supplies are a luxury they cannot afford. This past year in Houston has been fraught with disastrous flooding, and Houston's backpack drives strive to help those children in need.
Every child wants a backpack, every child wants to be inspired, and every child wants to know that school is a wonderful place to go to.
The immigrant community in Houston has been hit hard last year. Devastation from Hurricane Harvey and immigration issues have made the road to recovery difficult. It's programs like this that bring much needed help and relief. Over 5,000 families were helped by the La Rosa Foundation's event. Many families, like the Sanchez's, were homeless because flooding from Hurricane Harvey destroyed everything they had.
Everything inside the apartment got rotten, went mold, so we had to throw everything away, and we had to start from the bottom all the way again.
It was horrible. We lost a lot of stuff, and we need more new supplies to get ready for school now.
25% of children in Harris County live below the poverty line, making it difficult or even impossible for many of these students to have the school supplies they need. Many in Houston's immigrant community also struggle with the constant fear of increased ICE activity. It was very difficult to get families attending the backpack drive to talk to BA. Some even ran away or covered their faces for fear that being on camera would increase their visibility to immigration enforcement. Local PhilAm volunteers were front and center, eager to serve and help the healing of the community.
The volunteer organizations today are trying to reunite the community, if not just to give them a sense of safety, a sense of we are here willing to help. And so with the backpacks, to give them support with their school, at least it gives them a sense of normalcy.
Organizers hope that the children not only take their backpacks, but also take away confidence and big smiles as they take their first steps of the school year into the classroom. Cheryl Picshow, ABS-CBN News, Houston.